G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 21, 2023. This is the US crude oil price update. First on a daily, we did have this resistance up here previously, and I should have moved that to that candle there as the major resistance, and it's bounced down from there. But you'll notice we've had a bit of a pullback, pullback on that, and the CCI is also starting to decline from that point. Now it's still pretty much overbought, possibly. Likewise on the Stochastic, let's have a look at that. You can see there it's below the midpoint, and it's starting to turn down as well after being in the oversold territory for a while. Now on the hourly, we did project this bearish divergence. You can see there on the CCI, and the CCI is still falling versus the price. Now what I should have done, I should have raised that Fibonacci to that point before setting a target, and we should have set the target at that point there. Now the entry would have still been the same, still would have applied to that trend line. That would have been your entry point. So I'm not trying to cheat here, I'm just trying to be honest and factual. That would have been your target area. You can see there it's just touching it in terms of where we are. Now the CCI is still falling, so we're probably going to see it fall further into this range. Likewise, the Stochastic is also in decline, so not sure where it's going to stop, but that's our initial target area for the time being. I'm not going to mark it as hit yet until it breaks into that. I'll be fair, until it breaks into that point there. So you can see there we've had a few targets hit in the past. Now back at this point, if you followed my last video, you know we had a bearish divergence there, and we set a entry point below this trend line, this upper trend line. It broke below that, but it failed to hit our target. So I'm trying to be as honest as I can. Where it fails, I'll mark it as an X, and where they are successful, I'll leave them as they are with little squares where those targets were hit. So that's where we're at the moment. The CCI is still falling, the Stochastic is still falling, and we may see a slight bounce from there, but I'm going to mark that as successful if it breaks into this range. So to understand how to trade using the trend trading strategy and also the divergence strategy, subscribe and support us on the Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.